Well, crypto holders, Bitcoin's price has now officially created another descending channel over the last couple days that I believe is going to have a massive impact, not only on Bitcoin, but the entire altcoin market as well for the next couple days and the next couple weeks. And so in today's video, we are going to talk about exactly why this green descending channel is so damn important and what it can mean for crypto going forward. But before we do not forget that if you are trading any Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and many more, you can get up to $10,000 in bonuses and lower trading fees if you sign up to start trading on BTCC with my link in the description right now today. So the reason why, first and foremost, let's just get straight into it, guys. The reason why this descending channel is just so dang important for Bitcoin and the crypto market going forward is because descending channels have an over 80 to 90% chance of breaking to the upside throughout their price journey. And what I mean by that is, historically speaking, and you can go look at most major cryptocurrency assets, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, whatever, when they enter into one of these channels on the 4-hour charts or above, they have an over 80% chance of finding some support and using that support to continue towards the upside and break above this resistance zone. Now, this doesn't always guarantee that they're immediately just going to pump all the way to the heavens and that Bitcoin, for example, is about to go to 133K, but it does mean that you are in a structure that is going to provide you a lot of opportunity to be able to make that move. And so knowing, obviously, that this is a structure, an enabling structure that should allow for us to make a break towards the upside, I think that's a very, very important thing to watch out for. Now, when you combine the fact that Bitcoin's price is in such a, such a bullish structure, such a strong structure, and when you combine that with the fact that it is also backtesting right now, that macro golden zone that we just broke above, I think you have a crazy good formula here. You have Bitcoin's price, which is in, again, this descending channel. You have it currently backtesting a major zone of support, while indicators like the 4-hour RSI are now back sub 50, and the crypto fear and greed index is resetting. And so what does that tell me? Well, it tells me that we have a hell of a chance right now. And that if Bitcoin's price can find some support and really use this support between $120,000 and $117.5 thousand, I think we can make a move not only back out of this channel, but possibly up to a real all-time high of like $129,000 or $130,000. And I know that's a hot take these days, as everybody's just screaming that the pump is over and that the bull market's ending and everyone should get out or whatever because everybody's selling their Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. But I genuinely don't care. Historical analysis is historical analysis, and based on performative historical analysis, Bitcoin has a better opportunity right now to use this descending channel and use this support to find some sort of bounce and continue upwards than it has in a very long time. And so as a result of that, I kind of think that's what's going to happen. I think what's going to happen is that Bitcoin's going to try to find some support, even if it continues back to say 117K. It's going to see its indicators continue to try to reset. It's going to make a run towards the top side and try to break up towards the upside. And if that does happen, I think that Bitcoin has a decently good chance of pushing back up towards some of these higher levels and possibly even continuing back up towards an all-time high. And so I think it is incredibly important that we watch very closely what happens in this descending channel for the next 5 or 6 days, because what happens in this channel the next 5 or 6 days will paint the whole picture for us. If Bitcoin's price nukes to the bottom side of this channel, that's bad. That is not good. You do not want to see Bitcoin doing that, not when we are in an uptrend. That is not good. But if Bitcoin's price finds some support and breaks towards the upside, that is very good. And some sort of all-time high, not only for Bitcoin, but possibly even some altcoins could follow soon thereafter, okay? So I'm going to keep you updated on how all of this plays out, but I wanted to dedicate this entire video to talking about this descending structure, because when you combine this descending structure with this key zone of support, we could have a formula for some absolutely fantastic growth, and all Bitcoin needs to do is just make the move. So we're going to watch it closely. I'll keep you updated as it plays out. Go on your chart right now, draw in this descending channel, and draw in your support between $120.5 and $117.5 thousand. And guys, just stare at it. Literally, just stare at it. Don't go outside. Don't eat food. Don't drink water. I'm just joking, obviously. But just keep a very close eye on it, because it is going to be very, very important. And of course, I'll be here every step of the way, updating you as it plays out. As it turns out, as it comes out for my own portfolio, I'm not doing anything too crazy right now. I'm not really doing big buys. I'm not doing really big sells. I'm just waiting. The only thing I did do for shits and giggles is I did open up a 20x long trade on Bitcoin. It's not a big trade. It's a bit of a small trade, but it's literally just for fun. And I even told the school, like, hey, I don't recommend anyone follow me on this. I'm just doing it for shits and giggles because I love descending channels that much. It's a bit of a weird obsession that I have, okay? So that's like the only thing that I'm doing. I have a small long trade. open. Outside of that, I'm just waiting this out because I want to see if Bitcoin can find that support, use that support to break out of this structure, which historically is it a good chance of doing. Because man, if it can, we might have some all-time highs on the way and some profits will be taken. So I'll keep you updated there. And don't forget that if you have been enjoying the content, you can get more from me if you head over to my Instagram page, click on this button right here, and every single day I'm posting analysis, my thoughts, and some alpha on the crypto market. So check that out down below. Make sure that you watch what is happening for Bitcoin very closely right now, and I'll be here every step of the way to give you updates. I'll see you all soon.